Welcome to our video of the Tower Premier King Room at Luxor Hotel in Las Vegas. This room is located in one of the two towers at Luxor. If you'd like to see a video of a room that is located within the pyramid, we have a video for that. Just click on the link in the top right corner or in the description below. We thought this room felt larger than what it says it is. It has a spacious bathroom, and the room itself felt larger than 449 square feet. We think it's a nicer room compared to the rooms in the pyramid, but the only drawback, it has a lot longer walk from the casino. We do have a recent walkthrough of the property, but forgot to include the pool and spa complex, so stick around until the end of the room tour to see what that's like. We are seeking paradise together, and thank you for tuning in. And if you're new to the channel and you're liking what you see, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. We really appreciate the support, and it helps us get out and capture more content. We captured this room the day the Tropicana towers were imploded, so they're still up there in the distance from the window. We do hope you enjoyed the tour of the Tower Premier King Room at Luxor and also the pool and spa complex. We do think it has one of the nicer pool complexes in Vegas that we've been to. Let us know in the comments what you think of the pool complex and the room. We'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching.